Hello watcher and subscribers. Today we have the list topic. So from this word you may get the idea about the list concept. List means it's a list. List means storage of multiple value. For example, you have seen in the previous class variable concept. By using variable concept at a time we can store the one value, but by using list we can store multiple values. Suppose here in the list, suppose if I write L equals 2, then we have to use bracket. I am putting here 1 comma 5 comma 6. These are the values. So once I write L, you are getting this all the three values. Okay, so it is storing the multiple value by using the one variable only. So that is what the list concept. So here the first point is create list. So you understood how to create list. This is the list name equals to, in bracket we put up the list of values. So here the question comes in your mind, by using list can we have the different set of values? Yes, definitely. So here suppose if I write L equals 2, in bracket, so suppose now I write 1 comma 2 comma 3.4 comma in double quote. Suppose I am writing this, and now you check the output. So here we have the different types of value like 1 and 2. These are the numbers. 3.4, it's a decimal point number. HH is a text value. So here in the list, in a single list, we can have different types of values. So here you understood how to create list. Now we see how to access the value. So when you type the list name, that values you can access. Suppose you want to access particular value, then here you write suppose L of 0, then this first value will be available to you. So here 0 is a position of the list. So here the position start with the 0th element, then 1, 2, 3 like that. So if you write L of 1, so in that list second element will be available to you. So 1 means the second element, 0 means first element. So if you write L with negative value -1, then the list will be available from opposite side, means opposite side first element is HH. And if you write -2, then let's check out. 3.4 means from this right hand side second element will be available to you. And suppose I want to access more number of values at a time, then you have to take the help of colon. So suppose here 1. So 1 means which element? Here it's a 2. Okay, this is 0, 1. And this is second element, this is the third. But it will skip that third value, so it will print 2 and 3.4. You see, because this is the values of 1th position, this is the value of second position, and third value it will be removed. So in this way, by using the colon, you can access more than one value. So now here you understood how to access the value. Next one is update using the append method. You can also update value as this is the list of element. So for updating value, you can specify the index position like L of 1 equal to 66. Okay, so in that position, in the 1th position 66 will be added. So you see in the 1th position, this is the 0, this is 1. So in place of 2 you are getting 66, then remaining element will be as it is. So in this way you can append the list. You can also append by using append method. So here L dot append, L is a list name. So suppose I am writing 56 and pressing enter, and you see 56 is added at the end of the list. So by using append method also you can add the value. So here the next concept is delete value. So for deleting value using the remove method. So remove method remove the specified value. So you have to write simply L dot remove. So here I want to remove this 3.4. So now we will check. So you observe that 3.4 will be removed from the list. So in this way you can use the remove method also. You can also have L dot clear method. L, this is clear. Now we will check. So the list is empty. So by using clear method, we can remove the all element from the list. So here I am not showing you each and every method of the list. We will see the method that we commonly use, or these are the common. So copy and join the list. Suppose here in the first list, at a time we will see this concept. So in the first list, suppose we have two element 1 comma 2, and then second list is M. There we have 3 and 4. So these are the element. So now here suppose if I write L equals to M. So whatever the element is there in the list M, it will be copied in L. So now we just use L. You see here L was 1 and 2, but now it is 3 and 4. So in this way you can copy the data from the list. Now we will see how to join the list. So here now L, once again I write create the list with the elements, otherwise you will get confusion. So list L is 1 and 2 value, and the list M is 3 and 4. So now we want to join. So I am taking K equal to L plus M. We just try it out. So you see we have joined the list successfully by using plus operator. We also try in different way. K equals to L comma M and then K. So that is also the way. Now you see K is having the two lists 1 2. First it will show the L and then it will show the M. So you can join it in this two way. This way is also very simple, or you can do it in this way. So you can join the list in a multiple way. So in this way you can perform this, and you can append the list easily. And you can create list also, you can join list also, you can access any element also, you can totally remove also, you can remove particular element also. So in this way you can play with the list easily. So whatever the basic method we have seen, it is more helpful for creating and updating or as well as removing the list. So I hope, dear student, you understood the concept of list, and you have to practice this in the software so that your concept will be clear. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.